2741 Borthwick. So we have paver driveway with a cute little pattern, 3-car garage, which the third car is a little separated. That's AstroTurf on a lot of the yards. So I don't know if that's a requirement here to have desert landscaping. So we have this beautiful gate that you walk through. And then we have an epoxy 3rd-car garage. There's no opener on it, just FYI. A lot of times in Vegas, the 3rd car does not have an opener because it's actually used for storage, not for another car. Okay, another pretty pattern. So tile at the entry. This pattern on the walls is what we're seeing in a lot of the newer, higher end properties. Everything is so high. The ceilings are very high. So there definitely needs to be some touch up, but you're gonna on the walls. That's something you're gonna see in most of the properties because they've been lived in. So they've had paintings and TVs and whatnot on the walls. I think these rooms are very nice size. They have such an elegant feel to them because of the high ceilings. And it's nice to have so many of the rooms separate on a completely different side of the house from the master. Here's the main garage. We have a very large water heater, 2 garage openers, epoxied floors that could use a power wash. A wood laminate on both sides. Very nice light fixture. This is a large laundry room and it has a sink, lots of storage. So this is actually one of the more private yards. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you can't really filter for this on the MLS because it's just a coincidence that that's a 1-story and then that has a tree which hopefully grows more leaves and you have that tree. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ceilings are so high. This is a nice large shower. Stone tiles.